In this question, you're asked to find the equation of a line which passes through 2, 2 and the sum of whose intercepts is equal to 9. So you're asked to find a line through the point 2, 2 such that the sum of intercepts is equal to 9. You have a lot of lines passing through this P, but I want that particular line whose sum of intercepts is equal to 9. So let us say that the x-intercept is A and the y-intercept is B. So what is the equation of this line? Equation of line is nothing but x by A plus y by B is equal to 1 if the intercepts are A and B. Now what are the conditions that this line has to satisfy? The first condition is that this line has to pass through 2, 2. That means 2 by A plus 2 by B has to be equal to 1. And the second condition is that the sum of intercepts is equal to 9. So A plus B is equal to 9. So these are the two conditions which need to be satisfied. So let us solve A and B. From this, 2 times A plus B by AB is equal to 1. If you take the LCM, you get 2 times A plus B by AB. This implies A plus B is equal to 9. So 9 into 2, 18 by AB is equal to 1. This implies AB is equal to 18. So A plus B is 9, AB is equal to 18. So you get a quadratic from these two informations. So A plus B is 18 by A is equal to 9. This implies A square plus 18 is equal to 9A. A square minus 9A plus 18 is equal to 0. A minus 3 times A minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies A is either equal to 3 or 6. A is either equal to 3 or 6. So if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. If A is equal to 3, if A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. So you're asked to find the equation of the line. So once you got A and B, the required equation is x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1 or x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. These two are the possible equations of lines which satisfy all these conditions. Thank you.